You're watching this video because you're in the market for a pellet grill, and I'm going to talk about the top 3 features that our customers mention time and time again in reviews and on social media for why they chose the Camp Chef Woodwind Wi-Fi over other pellet grills on the market. The first feature that comes up time and time again in our reviews and on social media is our patented ash cleanout system. Now, ash cleanout is super important because you want your pellet grill to be convenient, and there's nothing worse than gearing up for the weekend, going out to put on your brisket or ribs, and realizing that before you can do that, you need to pull out the greasy grates and vacuum out the burn pot. Most pellet grill brands will recommend that you do that every 20 hours of cooking or every other cook. But with the ash cleanout system, you can clean it out before every single cook with just the pull of a lever, and you can go into every cook with the confidence that you're not gonna have a flame out midway through. So whether you decide to go with the Camp Chef Woodwind or a different pellet grill brand, make sure it has an ash cleanout feature. It'll just save you so much more time and so much more headache. You can spend less time cleaning, more time cooking. The second feature that comes up time and time again in reviews of the Woodwind is versatility. Now, many pellet grills on the market are kind of one-trick ponies. They do low and slow very well, but they don't do much else. On the Woodwind, with our slide and grill feature, you can go from indirect heat to direct flame grilling to sear off those steaks or to cook burgers and brats in a more traditional way. If that's not sufficient, the Woodwind is compatible with our Sidekick, which is a 30,000 BTU burner that attaches in place of your side shelf. The Sidekick works with our range of 14-inch accessories. A griddle, if you want to make Philly cheesesteaks, smash burgers, toast up some buns, you name it. If grill marks are your thing, the grill box is perfect for searing off steaks, tri-tips, making burgers with temps up to 750 degrees. What about pizza night? The 14-inch pizza oven fits over the Sidekick so that you can bake the perfect artisan pizza. Or remove all of the accessories and only use the 30,000 BTU burner for things like shrimp boils, making gravy or sauces. The third feature that comes up in reviews again and again for the Woodwind is our smoke control feature. Within our controller, we have built an algorithm that allows you to pick your preferred smoke level on a scale from 1 to 10. This works by controlling the amount of pellets that are in the smoke producing phase, allowing you total control over that smoke flavor. If you want to cook a brisket and you want a deep, smoky, wood-fired flavor, set it up to 10. If you're cooking chicken and you want a milder smoke flavor, set it down to 1 or anywhere in between. The choice is yours. The best part of this can be controlled on the controller or right on your phone via the Camp Chef Connect app connected through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Additional features that should be mentioned are the 22-pound pellet hopper, which holds enough pellets so that you can go into a low and slow cook with the confidence that you're not going to run out of fuel. The pellet dump feature allows you to completely empty out the hopper so that you can replenish it with different pellets of different wood flavors. Let's say you want to go from hickory to cherry or apple. You can do that with ease without having to scoop out all the pellets by hand. For additional information on the Woodwind, check out the website or reach out to our customer service team.